Building the worksheets. Introduction. In this section, we are going to be focusing on building our individual worksheets. We will then be replicating these for each of our 6 mobility metrics. These worksheets are the most recent mobility, so that's the most recent value in our data set. A trend over time, so we could see how mobility is changing, how it's ebbing and flowing. And then a moving average, so we can see a smoother curve when it comes to our mobility trends. So remember, we have 6 different metrics: park, recreation, workspace, residential, and so forth. So therefore we are going to get a lot of practice. There will be a lot of replication, which is good because hopefully it would help hammer these home. So if you're ready, hopefully you are, let's get started.